Okay, so this is part two of the first video. And I was just going over the two stamps that I have. So you get one of the things you want to do is write your ID number. So once you get your membership kit, your starter kit, you're going to receive these postcards. But also you can get an ID number. That's how the company identify who you are and who's joining underneath you. So you can write your ID number in that box there, which says ID number, or you can get one of these stamps, and then you can just stamp those in. It's a little bit faster, okay? So you'll see this is one of the stamps I got. That's how it looks there. And this is another stamp that I have, and that's what it looks there, okay? So if you're thinking about joining the Cash Building Systems Unlimited Business Opportunity, go ahead and look in the description box below. Click on the video link. You'll get some information about what it's all about. And then if you decide to join, go ahead and use my number 3445. And if you would like, you can also join online, because usually what you have to do is you're going to mail in your fees to the address that it tells you, or you can join using my website, mailboxdump.com. There's an order form, and this is where it says member ID number. You'll enter 3445, and then once you join, my contact information is on my website. Go ahead and screenshot that you've joined, and then I'll send you some additional information on all the tips and tricks, and also invitation to the Facebook group that I'm a part of. Over 1,000 members sharing their payment proofs, how they're doing the business, some additional training, and then you're part of a network of people who are just active and doing great things with this Cash Building Systems Unlimited Business Opportunity. I want to thank you for tuning into Billionaires Club 101. If you enjoyed this clip, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We're grateful for that. Thank you very much, and you have an excellent day. Let's see you on the other side. Thank you.